But Xenocum semipolar, that's why you call it ZZ plant for people who don't know how to pronounce it.
Hello guys, I'm Julian Isideo. We are from the Nature Company, and today we're going to talk about choosing the right plant palette. Palette as in, the kind of plant portfolio that's right for you, that even you can't kill. I'm a beginner, so I usually tend to gravitate more towards succulents.
You probably want to get plants that are more suited for indoor conditions. This is a spider plant, scientifically also known as a Chlorophytum comosum. The lighting requirement is actually indirect sunlight,
right,
but more on the brighter side. You can actually hang it up, so somewhat nearer to the window, not too far away. So it still receives light, but it's reflected or refracted. So water requirement is quite simple. It's about once every 1 to 2 weeks. As you can notice, this is actually quite a trailing plant, so you've got these big cute little babies coming out. Yeah, so
these are actually things that you can propagate.
Yes. So this is my choice number 1 if you are starting as a beginner. So up next we have pothos. You should know this as a money plant, or rather epiphragmium. They have it in this variegated form. It's a pretty fast growing plant, also trailing as well. And the lighting levels also on the brighter side. You can trim them off and
so I trim them off, and then I put it into media, into a new pot.
New pot, yes.
And then it becomes another money plant.
Yeah, that's right.
And then I can sell that money plant.
Yeah,
so hence money
to
plant.
sell the money plant. And up next,
the ZZ plant, right?
yeah, what we call the ZZ plant.
But
Xenocum semipolar, that's why you call it ZZ plant for people who don't know how to pronounce it. So water requirement is only about once every 1 to 2 weeks. Yeah,
right.
Depends on the condition that you're placing it in.
Like some people ask, is this fake? Actually, it's not, right?
Yeah,
that's how I see it. That people think it's a fake plant.
Right. Other than that, the lighting requirement is about I would say low to medium kind of brightness in direct sun. Yeah, so you can put it, indoors, further indoor as compared to the other two plants that we talked about.
Okay.
Yeah, so further indoors, maybe just beside a sofa, your couch, kind of thing. Your house will be fairly brightly lit.
That's all the plants that we would like to recommend to you. I think if you can still kill this plant, then I think you truly are a serial plant killer.